Thanks to CowRC, I have a big chunk of their product lineup to show you guys here on the channel. First up, we have CowRC's Moo-Kleen Tire Wash. Now, this is a non-corrosive hand and tire cleaner that's safe for all of the rubber and plastics on your RC vehicle. It works really well with CowRC's reservoir cleaning brushes. With these brushes, all you have to do is unscrew the cap, dump your cleaning product in the top, screw the cap back on, and you're ready to start cleaning. By pressing the top of the brush, you're able to spray the cleaning product while you're washing the tires and control exactly how much of the cleaner you want and when you want it. There's also a handful of decal options available for the brushes if you want to customize them. After getting everything dried off, you can see just how well the Moo-Kleen Tire Wash works. It doesn't leave a film and it keeps your tires looking like new. Now, for cleaning the rest of your RC vehicle, another popular CowRC product is the Parts and Chassis Wash. It is non-corrosive and helps keep everything fresh, but you'll want to keep it away from any electronics. It comes as a concentrate, so you have to mix it yourself by diluting it with water. There are a few methods to cleaning with it. CowRC offers an ultrasonic cleaner that you can dump it into to clean parts, but what I actually prefer to use is the USB rechargeable sprayer. You can dump up to 2 liters in the bottle and automatically spray for however long you'd like with the press of a button. It even comes with an optional extension wand that you can swap to if needed. This next tool has quickly become one of my favorite products from CowRC. Whether you're cleaning your RC vehicle or driving it in wet conditions, it's crucial to dry everything off once you're finished to avoid rust. This is the CowRC Jet Blaster, which is basically an electric blower. Up until now, I've always used an air compressor to dry off my RCs. What's frustrated me over the years with the air compressor is that the tank barely lasts long enough to dry all of the main components on a vehicle. In addition, I only have full pressure for about half of that tank. That's why this Jet Blaster has honestly been a game changer for me, because you get full power for as long as you want without having to wait for a tank to fill up. This updated version actually has variable speed control, so you can regulate the blower strength for various situations. It comes with 3 different tips as well as 3 replacement filters for the bottom of the unit. When it comes to touching up your RC vehicle before or after you clean it, these hide wipes have been super handy. They're basically a wet wipe, but they actually have a softer side and then a more abrasive side. The softer side is great for things like cleaning off your pit mat or Lexan bodies, and the abrasive side works well for cutting through grease and even removing some scuffs. I've been using these wipes a lot before events just to wipe off tires and get them cleaned up without having to remove them from the vehicle. To keep your RC vehicles running smooth, CowRC has a line of aerosol sprays. Now, each spray serves a slightly different purpose. CowRC Moo-Kleen is their cleaner and degreaser. This removes oil, grease, and dirt. I use it quite often to remove oil on shock components, to clean out bearings, and to prep surfaces for adhesives, but there are so many other applications for it. If you end up using it on parts that need to be lubricated, you're going to want to follow up with something like CowRC Moo-Slick. The yellow Moo-Slick is a thin oil with Teflon that's primarily designed for bearings. And as you can see, it comes out fast, so you've got to be careful. The orange Moo-Slick is a thin grease coating that's designed for exposed applications like pivot balls, universals, and CV drive shafts. The original green Moo-Slick is a silicone protector that can be used just about everywhere. People spray it on plastics to make them look new and easier to clean, but I mainly stick to just using it on steering and suspension parts to keep them running smooth. With the help of these CowRC products, my low CLMT came out awesome and is ready for some indoor carpet racing. To keep your vehicles clean, CowRC has a few different styles of brush sets available. They offer a detailed brush kit that includes 5 different nylon brush sizes. They have plastic handles and are great for brushing off any loose dirt or debris. They also have a block brush set, but instead of different sizes, they have a range of softer to stiffer nylon bristles, depending on how aggressive you need it to be. Once again, the brush sets can be customized with decorative decal sheets. To keep diffs, transmissions, and other gears lubricated, CowRC makes this Udder Butter, which is a waterproof grease that comes in a syringe that makes it super clean and easy to apply. Thankfully, most electronics come waterproof from the factory these days, but if yours aren't, you can brush this conformal coating on the boards of your electronics to waterproof them yourself. If you want to get more organized, there's these dot boxes to help you store screws, bearings, or any other small parts you may have. You can label each box, and let me tell you, I've been able to save and reuse so many screws ever since I started using these because the screws actually have a place to go. Another product I've been using for years is the CowRC pit mats. You can find a CowRC mat on my bench and even some of my earliest videos here on the channel. I've always loved the clean white background to help with visibility. The best part about them is they're magnetic, so your screws will stick around the area you drop them. CowRC offers flat mats. They have some available with a border to keep parts from rolling off, and they're all available in a variety of sizes too. The one downside to these white mats is they're obviously hard to keep clean. So with that said, CowRC recently released a couple of new mat designs. They have this new Carbon Series mat that has a black rubber surface with a lot of cool details. It has a carbon fiber look throughout the border, and you don't have to worry about getting this one dirty, which is nice. Another cool option is the mouse pad mat, which, as the name suggests, is made of the same material as mouse pads. It has some cool graphics and is very light, flexible, and rollable. It looks like it'll work perfect as a travel pit mat to take out to the track for racing. Be sure to check out CowRC's website for more products. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.